Hello YouTube, I'm excited to tell you about my brand new channel, The Maintenance Factory. So stick around to learn more about what's to come. Welcome, I'm Drew and I'm your host for The Maintenance Factory. So what is The Maintenance Factory and why did I decide to create this channel? The idea for the Maintenance Factory is a dedicated place that is a manufacturing site for content that is related to professional maintenance. It is also geared towards maybe the students who are currently in school right now that are deciding what to do next in their life. It's also for the newcomers to the industry and people that have been in the industry for several years, even the seasoned veterans to the industry. Anyone who has an appetite for learning and existing within a maintenance organization. So, why else create this channel? I strongly believe that there is a huge demand for the skilled labor trade, and I want to help contribute to the success of the skilled labor trades over the next few years. We as maintenance professionals need to come together and nurture the up-and-coming generations who will soon enter the skilled labor trades. Years and years of experience are about to just walk out the doors from people who are currently in the trades that are going to soon retire. We need to answer that call and develop content for the new and upcoming generations. And we're going to do that in the form of YouTube. I mean, just look at what YouTube has done for many other industries already. We cannot ignore that people learn differently today than they did in years past. What are some other topics that I would like to cover? First and foremost is just general awareness around the maintenance industry and many other skilled labor trades that contribute to the maintenance industry and the realm of industrial maintenance. I want people to know what opportunities exist and what to expect if they were to enter the skilled labor trade. A recurring topic will most certainly be the nuts and bolts of maintaining, operating, and just existing within a maintenance organization. Another big topic for the channel will be metrics. How we collect data, how we data mine, how we analyze and look at this data. It will also take a good hard look at the definitions and the calculations behind these metrics. The definition side of this needed some focus put on it because the definitions are really going to drive the calculations and the end result for these metrics. Defining certain things can be very difficult in a maintenance organization. That may sound crazy, but believe it or not, I've had a huge problem defining what a breakdown is. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, that's crazy, you know exactly what a breakdown is. But I promise you that will be a topic that's going to come up not too far into the future, and we will discuss what a breakdown is. So there's many other topics that I want to discuss. Another big topic for me is troubleshooting. How people go about troubleshooting, the steps associated with troubleshooting, and I plan to deliver some content around some very specific means of troubleshooting, say for example, motor control circuits. How to use a digital multimeter, how to apply that digital multimeter in the field and do some troubleshooting. So that's another topic that'll be discussed into the future. So another big topic on the channel will most certainly be preventative maintenance orders or preventative maintenance tasks that are specifically related to, the world of industrial maintenance. So what I want to talk about is how to create PMs from start to finish, and then ultimately how to do a PM optimization. So maybe you have some PMs currently that you're questioning their effectiveness, and I'm going to show you how to collect data and start a PM optimization process. Of course, another topic for discussion will most certainly be tools. Now, I don't want this channel to turn into a full-blown tool review channel, but we most certainly will do some tool reviews. But more importantly, I want to talk about the safe use of certain tools, how to store these tools, how to maintain these tools, and then maybe some best practices around organization in the maintenance department, how to manage these tools and keep them organized. So as you can tell, I have some huge expectations for this channel, and I hope I get time to cover all these topics and many, many more topics to come. So if you think you're going to get some value out of this channel and you like what you see so far, please hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell, and come back and join us for the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.